Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Body Movement Recognition and Smart Sensor Technique for Monitor Cosmetic Patient Monitoring, Coma Patient Monitoring. So in this project, we are using an ARM7 LPC2148. So two technologies. One is Zigbee technology and a GSM SMS to the doctor as well as parent. Zigbee, a doctor will receive the data onto the hyperterminal, transmitter unit and receiver unit, ARM7 LPC2148. So here we are using body fold detection, ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor and two flux sensors we are detection. So to detect the finger detection, either finger 1 or finger 2. So eye blink detection, and which eye it is detected? Yeah, left eye and right eye. Body fall detection means body movement recognition, either right movement or the left movement. So block diagram and the receiver unit. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using a receiver module. It should be connected to the doctor's unit receiver on the Flash Magic software. Okay. So this should be connected to the computer. So go to tools, terminal. So here is the baud rate is 5. You can check on device manager. Okay. So go to tools, terminal, com5. Okay. So let's coming into the hardware part. So doctors are, you can go for two mobile number. So here is the SMS alert. So finger detected, body left detected. So these are the eye blink detected. So let us coming into the hardware part. LPC2148. So ISP button, reset button. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So Zigbee transmitter part. So to detect the eye, this one for checking and this side for SMS alert. So LM358 operational amplifier to detect the eye blinks. So 16x2 LCD display. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Any SIM card you can use. So here we are using Airtel SIM card. So UART 1. So ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer to detect the fall of the right or left right body movement. So flux sensor and IR transmitter and IR receiver. So let's start with the power supply. So body movement recognition for coma patient. So F flux 1, flux 2, MEMS, left eye, right eye. So here also it is coming on the screen. Okay, body fall detection. So if anything should be happen, it will send the data to hyperterminal software. Okay, so continuously we are getting the data onto the hyperterminal. Now I am going to tilt right side. Okay, so 117 sending data to hospital and as well as sending to parent mobile, and as well as in computer also it is coming. So we are getting the body movement at left side. So body movement at left side. Okay. 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 Yeah. So we can interchange right to left, left to right. Body movement at right. Body movement at right. Okay. So okay. Now finger detection. Okay. finger detection, first finger detection, sending data to hospital, first finger detected. Yeah, SMS alert, first finger detected. Okay, go to second finger, second finger, F2 is changed. Okay, sending data. Okay, second finger detected, second finger detected. Okay, so we need to wear the goggle first. Okay, so we first we need to check whether the LED is coming or not. Okay, yeah, coming. So if you want to receive any SMS alert, press down, and here, yeah, right eye. Actually we need to wear. Okay, right eye detected, right eye detected. Okay, so now flux 1, flux 2, ADXL is also okay, left. Okay, now we need to receive the SMS alert. Okay, yeah, left eye. Okay, left eye blink detected, left eye blink detected. So total 8 outputs. So uh, left fall or right fall, left fall or right fall. So SMS alert purpose. Okay, so eye blink detected, eye blink left or right, finger 1, finger 2. LM358 based operational amplifier, ADXL 335, GSM SMS alert, and LPC 2148 board, and a Zigbee module. And we are getting the SMS alert, left eye, right eye, finger 1, finger 2. Okay, so here also we are getting the alerts on the doctor side. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to svsembedded. So we can add temperature sensor on this. We can add a heartbeat sensor on this project. Temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor. So body temperature and body heartbeat also we can detect. Thank you.